Hi, welcome everybody. This is Paul with Southern Adirondack Outdoors. On the mill today, we have a black cherry. This is one I pulled out of the old log pile. And I think I'm going to call it the compromise log or something to that effect. I could not find a good way to place it on the mill. Rolled it around and around and couldn't find a really good way. Here you can see it's about 3 to 4 inches off the bunk there. It's got quite the arc up. The whole log is rather bendy, twisty. So it's like trying to cut a piece of cooked spaghetti. But we'll see what we can get out of it. Going for 5/4 boards, about 14 inches diameter on the small end. In the last video that you saw, it was rather cold and snowy. We still have snow, as you can see in the background there, but it's melting. It is currently, let's see, about 41 degrees. But in a couple of days, it's going to be cold again. It's another one of those yo-yo winters, up and down temperature-wise. I'd rather have it just be cold. And this is probably going to be the first video you guys see after the first of the year. I'd like to say Happy New Year to all. I hope everybody has a good year, better than last year. So I was running a little rough. I checked in the air filter to see if there was a mouse nest. Nothing. Luckily. Okay, roll at 180. We're already getting thin here. Pump was. And I can't really slab this because the outer wood is, the sapwood is too funky for that. come through at 6 7/8 eventually. So I'm going to take a couple of extra cuts. 6 7/8, going to bring it down to about here, so that's a big chunk of wood. So I can come through and take a couple slices off there. That one would be a saver. Be a short one, but get something out of it. So we're going to do one more till we get down to a nice smooth none of this stuff. I think I might take off 7/8, bring it down to 6. That'll make this wider. Then I can stand it up and do something with it. See how much more air I got to work with here now. I don't think there's going to be no productive log in the world, but got her set up right, and we should be able to get a few 1x6s out of this. And we're losing quite a bit of this, and then when I flip it over down there again, so we're losing a bit on that end. But the wood itself is looking good. So this log has sat for about 4 years. Need to empty the buckets. Alright, she's all set up, and the blade's set at 6 7/8, and that is basically because of this spot here. There's 7, so 6 7/8 put me right below the sapwood here. At the other end of the log, we'll end up losing quite a bit of wood, but that's all I can do. So it's gonna be a little wasteful, but it's better than letting the log rot for another year. And if you wonder how I came up with that 6 7/8, it wasn't just because of this. It was because of what I'm going to be cutting, which is 5/4. I'm going to show you our cheat sheet here. I don't know if I ever showed you this before. So 5/4 is what we're cutting, 1.25 inches. And these numbers here are starting points. So you can see 6 7/8 where I started. The 8.25 would have been too tall, wouldn't have gotten hardly any wood. So I go down to the next one, 6 7/8. And what that does is make it so that when I get down to the bottom board, that'll be 1.25 inches as well. Won't be an odd board at the bottom. Alright, I'm about to do a no-no here from a sawing perspective. See if you can guess what it is. Well, that log wasn't very productive, was it? We got 5/4 by 6s out of it. Came out look pretty good. Another one down here, which won't fit. Got a pile of flitches to mill up. And let's see. Oh, and here's that screen board. If everybody needs a 5/8 thick cherry board, let me know. And some firewood. So, not very productive, but made use of a log that would probably otherwise, another year or so, would have been pushed into the hole to rot. I hope you like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.